Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm about to review the Singfire SF-348, which is a tiny little stainless steel flashlight that I got off GearBest for about $8. And I'm pleasantly surprised. It's fairly bright. It has a cool little proud button up here that is quite responsive and tactile, which is great. It also has a removable belt clip, which is probably the only downfall of the whole thing because it actually scratches the surface of the stainless steel, so that's not really ideal. And it does come off a little bit too easy, but I'm not really going to be putting this on my belt, so I don't really care. The reason I bought this was for my sound engineer's kit, because I constantly need a little torch while I'm up on stage setting up for bands and stuff like that, so it's perfect for that. It's just pretty hard to sort of tell how bright it is, but I think it's quite adequate for $8. It's perfect, I think. So it comes in at 9 centimeters, and it's great. I'm pleasantly surprised. For $8, you can't go wrong. So there you go, the Singfire SF-348.